This project is IoT based smart garage door opener. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its starter board along with power supply, system by 2 LCD display. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 connected to Arduino UART port. DC motor controlled by L230 H-bridge IC which is connected to Arduino digital pins. IR sensor 1 and IR sensor 2 connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. Here we have our own server designed according to our requirement. Initially we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the name of IoT server and password is IoT server 123. Now we have to open hotspot settings. We can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through the SIM. Now we can log in server application in this URL. Here URL is project factory server.in using username and password. Username is IoT25 and password is IoT25. We can name it this according to our requirement. In this URL, we can open it in our mobile or laptop. Now we have to open in our mobile. You can see here project factory server.in and it is asking username and password. Username IoT25 and IoT25. Now power on this. After switch on this project, it connects internet through the hotspot. Here we can control door from IoT server. Here we can see open and close buttons. By clicking on these buttons, we can control garage door. Door close. Success means data successfully sent to the project. On LCD, we can see R means reading data from the server. Here, Arduino reads the commands from server for every 30 seconds. These two IR sensors placed at top and bottom of garage door. These two can detect door open and close status. If door open, then open sensor activated and based on sensor, status of the door will upload to the server. If sensor is not activated for any reason, then it will not upload to the status. On LCD, U means data uploaded to the server. door open. We have to refresh this page. Here we can see garage door open and close status with respect to date and time.